What's good, folks? This is your boy Cap Beats, aka the face in the building. Look here, today I got a very special tutorial. I ain't seen this nowhere on YouTube, so I said, I'm gonna go ahead and post it up for y'all, man. This is for all you Reason users that want to track out your projects into Pro Tools. Now this here, I got a Pro Tools LE 8, you know what I'm saying, a new joint, as you can see. But this is what you want to do. This is the steps you want to take to track out your project. You know what I'm saying? Now, the way you track out your project is you got your hardware device here in Reason. This is the master device. Can't make any changes to it. You can just do advanced, MIDI, or you can do more audio, less audio, whatever. And what you would do, see here how I got the mastering combinator. It's alright. That's the default for the mastering combinator to go straight into the hardware device. Now, see what you want to do is, and this is how you can track out an instrument in mono, because you can't just bounce it. Like if I go here, file, export song as audio file, if I'm tracking it out that way, you can't. There's no option for mono, which is crazy. But there ain't no option for mono. So this way you can get it mono. Feel me? Now this is what you want to do. Get your track, and before you do anything, you get your track. This is what I do. I delete all my effects in Reason. Delete all those, because I'm gonna use Waves plugins or Pro Tools default or stock plugins that they have, because they're better than Reason's. So what you want to do is delete all your effects. Now I don't delete the effects that are in the combinators because I don't want to mess up the sound, so I just delete those. So once I delete all my effects that I have here in my auxiliary scenes, I save my project, and you go to save as. Now I labeled this 08 R&B, and you see how I got the 2-track. That lets me know that I'm tracking it out to Pro Tools. Once I get that, save it. Another thing too, if you've never used Rewire, you want to go here to preferences, advanced control. You want to set your MIDI for all of these so you can use all the channels. I'm not even sure if you have to do that, but what the heck, man. All right, here we go. Now over here in Pro Tools, what you got to do, need track color. Okay. Now in Pro Tools, when you set up your new project, you want to go to track, new track, set up one master fader. And to start out, I would say do about however many instruments you got, that's how many auxiliary tracks you need. So I'm gonna need 10 auxiliary tracks over here in Pro Tools. So I'm gonna end up having to rename these. I did a save as from my last project that I tracked out in the. So what you want to do in your auxiliary channel, you gotta set your instrument. Let's see, go to multi-channel plugin. If it's a stereo. See how I got these two lines here, mean it's in stereo, and then when it's one, it's mono. So since it's stereo, I'm gonna go to multi-channel plugin, go to instrument. Where is Reason at? And of course, Reason ain't in this hoe. Well, I know what I gotta do. Let's go here to save. Another thing that's important when you have your project in Reason, you want to make sure you know what the tempo is, because when you open it up in Pro Tools is automatically gonna change the tempo. When Reason is slave to a DAW, it automatically sets the tempo. Make sure you know what the tempo is. So I'm at 79, so I can close that on out. I'm gonna go over here, tempo, set it to 79. And that's not precise enough, so over here, 79, bam. All right, now close that on off. Now I can open up Reason. Now, all right, now you can go back to your mixer. Now you can go to multi-channel. It should be under instrument. Where the hell is Reason at? We're gonna have to try this again. Alright, man, I don't know what the hell's going on. Alright, I'm back. Let's hope it works this time. Cause I'm tired of doing this. I'm starting to get frustrated. And then it still ain't working. Alright. Now, make sure Reason is closed when you're trying to pull in the insert. So you go to multi-channel plug-in. And it took me 20 minutes to figure that out, by the way. Trial and error. But anyway, you want to go to instrument. Now this works for 7.3 too. I did it in 7.3. It's the same exact way. And 7.4 or whatever you got, 7.0, whatever. Go to Reason. You want to open up your project. Now that you got your Reason joint pulled up, you can close this Reason project, the little default project or whatever. Now, what you want to do is you want to set your Reason channels right here. So this is for channel 1 and 2. It'll say mix L and R. That's just the master joint. But I use it anyway, whatever. And I go ahead and remove this mastering suite here. Don't need it. You can almost remove the mixer too, for real, but you know, you ain't got to do all that. Now, what you want to do is, matter of fact, yeah, I am just gonna make it go a little bit faster. Delete that mixer, delete this mixer. Now, I track out my drums separately, my kicks and my snares, but my kicks and my snares are stacked. So if I wanted to, I could go, you know, each drum sound into its own channel. You feel me? That way I can tweak each individual sample how I wanted to, each stack. But just, you know, for the tutorial get down, I'm just gonna roll the master output. Now I'm still gonna single out my kicks. It's just gonna be, go over here to the sequencer and see, this is why